Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Synology DiskStation DS1621 Plus. We're talking about the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 2666 MHz ECC unbuffered SODIMM kit. NEMIX RAM might not be the first name that springs to mind when you think of memory, but they've carved out a niche specializing in enterprise storage RAM and ECC memory for NAS devices, PCs, and Macs. This particular kit is designed to work seamlessly with the Synology DS1621 Plus, a popular choice for home and small business users needing reliable network-attached storage. So what makes this NEMIX RAM kit stand out? First, it's ECC, or error-correcting code, memory. This is crucial for NAS devices because it helps prevent data corruption. NAS systems often run 24/7, handling critical files, so data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects single-bit errors that can occur during operation, ensuring your data remains safe and sound. The kit consists of two 16GB SODIMMs, totaling 32 GB. This is a significant upgrade for many users, especially those running virtual machines, Docker containers, or other resource-intensive applications on their DS1621 Plus. The 2666 MHz speed is perfectly adequate for the Synology NAS, providing a noticeable performance improvement in multitasking and overall system responsiveness. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, and most users should be able to handle it themselves in a few minutes. Of course, always consult your Synology DiskStation DS1621 Plus owner's manual for specific instructions. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality of their memory. They also offer support from an IT staff, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or operation. The real-world impact of this upgrade will depend on your specific usage. If you're primarily using your DS1621 Plus for basic file storage and sharing, you might not see a dramatic difference. However, if you're running multiple applications, handling large files, or experiencing performance bottlenecks, the NEMIX RAM upgrade can provide a tangible boost. More RAM means the NAS can cache more data, reducing the need to constantly access the hard drives, which speeds things up. Ultimately, the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance the performance and reliability of their Synology DS1621 Plus NAS. The ECC functionality, combined with a lifetime warranty and ease of installation, makes it a worthwhile investment for safeguarding your data and improving your NAS experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.